Hi there, my name is Mel Gard. I'm one of the directors of WSI in Durban, and our CSI project is a creche in Mulweni called Celemandla. And this creche was completely destroyed in a storm in November 2017, and in 2018 we raised funds and we were able to build a new building for them, which is absolutely brilliant and very a huge feeling of accomplishment on our side. That is the building of the creche and this wonderful room inside where the kids can be safe and warm and dry during the day. But now we still have a challenge. We have no ablution block, so the kids and the ladies who are looking after the children during the day are using a pit toilet, and really not great situation in terms of that. We would like to have a kitchen on site so that they can cook food. They are starting to grow their own produce in the garden already, so that would be of huge benefit. And there is a small little playground at the moment, but wouldn't it be amazing for us to be able to build a proper playground and just really finish the property off in a way that would be great for the families that use the school. These are people who are domestic workers, garden workers, shop assistants. So they're working hard, and we would really like to be able to give them the experience of knowing that their children are in a really safe, secure environment and are being very well looked after. The people who run the school are very, very passionate about the kids that are coming here. They are upskilling themselves in early childhood development, so it's a very worthwhile cause. So any amount that you can donate towards this amazing little project would be very greatly appreciated. The funds are going through the Robin Hood Foundation, so we can issue all of the necessary tax or BEE certificates. But if you are located anywhere in the world, you can donate through Back a Buddy, and the funds will find us, and we can make a difference in the lives of this rural community in KwaZulu-Natal. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I really hope that you find it in your hearts to send a little bit of money our way so that we can finish this project off. Thanks.